some of the novels tried to depict about the caste practices in India, about the life of the untouchables and what was happening to the lower caste people. If we talk about Indulekha, it seems about a simple love story, but it gives a message, and the message is that in South there are two kind of Brahmins, the Nambudiri Brahmins and the Nayars. The Nambudiri Brahmins at that time were big landlords and the Nayars were the tenants. The Nambudiri Brahmins never wanted to marry the girls with the Nayars. But in this novel, the heroine Indulekha chooses to marry a Nayar named Madhavan, and she refuses the Suri Nambutri. And Suri Nambutri, he just tells the people that he is married Indulekha and actually gets married to a girl who is very poor. Slowly, Madhavan and Indulekha, they move to the city where Madhavan becomes a civil servant. In this novel, the clear description and the message of the writer is that there is nothing as caste. There are no highs and lows. Anybody who is educated and intelligent is actually high, and those who live in a very imaginary world, that they are very wealthy and they come from a very higher section of the society, are in fact fools. Then there is one novel written by Pothri Kunjumbu named Saraswati Vijayan, in which a story of a young lower caste man is being written. Here the story goes such that this man runs away from his village and takes up education. After studying law, he comes back again to his village, nearby district, and becomes a judge of the local court. In the meantime, the villagers, thinking that the landlord's men had killed the hero, they file a case against the landlord in the same court, and in the end it is the judge who actually reveals his identity, saying that he is the same man. So the message which goes is that if the lower caste people need to be uplifted, they feel the need of getting uplifted, they actually feel that they should get higher in position in the society, they must get educated. Education seems to be the only basis of rising above in the society. So whether it is Indulekha or it is this novel, both of them were stressing on one thing, that the caste, community and religion makes no difference. What actually makes a difference is education and education alone. Titash Ekti Nadir Naam is a beautiful novel about the Malla community. The writer again is a Malla, and he describes about the hardships faced by the community while fishing and the poverty that they live into. So a beautiful description of the fishermen is being done by the writer in the novel named Titash Ekti Nadir Naam. Then we also see that the first Malayalam novel which was written was by Vakyum Muhammad Bashir, and he wrote about various subjects like Muslim household, poverty and also life in prisons. This was the first time that a Malayalam literature was written by a Muslim writer. He actually ran away from home when he was in class 5 to join the salt satyagraha.